Today we're gonna make some Portuguese traditional sausage chorizo, and we're gonna try to replicate it as much as possible. Back in the day, back when I was a child, and I was seeing my mom doing it, my grandparents doing it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna chop it, some of this pork shoulder into little slices.
And that's your favorite knife? This is your...
It's one of it's an antique knife that I like to have and I like to use.
I get the chippy one?
No.
Great, thank you.
Let's do it around. We'll use this one here. So the fat we always intend to cut smaller, just to be chunks. So now we would put some garlic on it. We use some fresh garlic on the sausage. So we have to peel it out. And you're gonna do it the hardest work. You're gonna smash it. Just put a little salt on it, like they used to do back in the day, salt and garlic. Smash it out. So now we're gonna throw the garlic in here, right? Just throw it out there. The majority of the sausage are vinho d'alhos. Vinho d'alhos it's garlic, salt, bay leaf, crushed pepper, and paprika.
So interesting that paprika from many of the spices really stuck to Portuguese cuisine.
Right, yes.
Right.
Portuguese in Spain, then,
Yes, it's very popular.
Yeah, it's very popular. So just put it on and mix it up a bit. Then we're gonna get, like everyone would have had it, their own wine. See, now it's got some wine.
And what's the purpose of the wine?
The wine is to cure it, to preserve it. So the casings, casing usually they're white, and you would ask why they're so red and so burgundy color. The reason is that we marinate them the day before with some vinho d'alhos, again, with garlic, a bay leaf, and a little salt and wine to curing it.
I've never seen. That's
curing
brilliant.
it. So you want to grab the casing here. So you're gonna help me with this. So pass the casing through the side. Yeah. Now we're gonna do it again. Okay. By hand, and then you press with the cape. See? Oh, not too strong. Go.
More?
Yeah. Go. And I think that it's one of the things that we are losing. First is tradition and good food and the respect that all the neighbors would have gathered together to do it. And they were, neighbors used to be a family. As a matter of fact, the first sausage that I made in U.S. Was the same way as we do it now. We used to hang it in the smokehouse for a few days. We used to use a lot of Hulk. So then, you want to hold the casing here?
Again, to the side?
Yeah. So, that is so we can hold better. It's good. Then you would have cut it. Okay. Then you would have had a sausage chorizo. So, yeah.